Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get face tracking on Roblox. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to enable face tracking on Roblox this 2026. Begin by opening the Roblox website and clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner to access your settings. From there, navigate to the Privacy tab and scroll until you find the camera option that lets Roblox animate your avatar using your facial movements in real time. Remember that this feature may not appear on devices that don't support camera access. Once you tap the option, you'll see a notice explaining that Roblox only uses your camera for animation and does not record or store any video or personal information. After reviewing the consent prompt, simply enable the feature. Once it's turned on, your avatar can now mimic your expressions in supported games, giving your Roblox experience a more dynamic and interactive feel. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.